If you're looking for a delicious but a quick and easy recipe to celebrate Cinco de Mayo, then you are not going to want to miss this video. Keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I have a very easy and quick recipe. If you like to celebrate Cinco de Mayo, if you love Mexican food, or just are looking for a healthy meal for lunch or dinner, then this is the perfect recipe for you. I am just going to mix up the dressing right now because I like for it to sit for a little while, and then I'm just going to chop up some of the ingredients real quick. This is going to be a really quick video. We're going to go right through it, and then I'll put my meal together. I am making a Mexican chopped salad, so like I said, it's going to be a quick and easy one, and I'll just show you all the ingredients that I put in it. So let me turn the camera down and quickly mix up the dressing for it. So I have some buttermilk ranch salad dressing, and I am going to dump a cup full in here. Trying to see where I'm at. There we go. So I have 1 cup of that. So we have 1 cup of that, and then we're gonna do, I like this taco seasoning from Spice Island. So we're going to do a tablespoon and a half. And then all you need to do is mix that up. And that is it, friends. That is all you need. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge, and then I'm gonna chop up some of my veggies and get them washed. So I'm gonna start with my romaine lettuce. Get that washed. Next, I just have some little sweet tomatoes. Just quarter them. So I have my tomato. Next up, I have some scallions. I normally use red onion, but I had these few scallions left, and I really needed to get those used up. So I am using them instead of the red onion for today, but both work well. I'm using my handy dandy herb scissors that I got from Temu. I really like these a lot. Look how well they work. If I remember, I will link them below. And then we're going to add those right in that bowl. Okay, so now I have my scallions. And I have some frozen corn. I'm just going to, oh my goodness, there must be a hole in the bag. Oh, there's a hole in my bag. Oh my goodness. All right, my corn bag had a hole in it, so I had to put it in here. Okay, I prefer frozen corn. I am not a fan of canned corn, so I'm gonna let this sit out and thaw. I'm just prepping right now, and I'll put it together a little bit later. Okay. So I'll just leave this sit and thaw. We're not going to cook it or anything. We're just going to throw it on our salad when it's thawed. And then we'll move on to the next item. All right, so the next thing I have are some black beans. Whenever I use black beans, I always usually use a half of a can. So I put the other half in these kind of bags, and then I freeze it. So I'm going to drain this, then put it in my bowl. All right, so I have my black beans drained, my corn sitting out. So everything is ready. I do have some chicken that I bought at Costco. It's the hand-pulled rotisserie chicken breast meat. I buy this in 3-pound packages. I will divide it up in 1-pound packages. So I'll just chop a little bit of this up, and then I will slice up an avocado closer to dinner time because I don't like it when it gets brown. And then I'll show you how to put my salad together. So I'll see you shortly. All right, so I chopped up some of that chicken. There's about a pound of it here for us, the 4 of us. I have some Mexican cheese, sliced up some avocados, and I have some tortilla strips. I did get these for my son. He loves these. I get these at Safeway. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just throw my salad together and show you how I make it. There you have it. All right, my friends, does that look delicious or what? Look at that. Yum. We love Mexican, and this is a great dish. You can do it really quickly. You can prep it early in the day before, and then just as you saw, I just throw it right together. Boom. Have a meal. If you don't have rotisserie chicken left over, or purchase it like that, you can throw some chicken in the oven the night before and just bake it with a little bit of taco seasoning on it, and then just chop it up the next day when you're ready to have it. That'll work too. You can throw it in a frying pan. And like I said, you can just prep it a day early if you want, so if you want to have something quick and easy. But this is perfect for Cinco de Mayo or any time, honestly. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that little subscribe button. And please go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Friends, thanks so much, and I will catch up with you next time. Bye.